Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Is your Windows PC running slower than molasses? Don't worry, you're not alone. Windows loves to hog memory in the background. But today, I'll show you 6 powerful step-by-step methods to reduce RAM usage, then speed up your system. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your current RAM usage. Before we start tweaking, let's see what's eating up your RAM. Right-click your taskbar, then click Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, go to the Processes tab. Click the Memory column header to sort by RAM usage. This shows you which apps and processes are consuming the most memory. Look for anything unusual, like a browser with too many tabs or a random app you don't recognize. Right-click any unnecessary process and select End Task. This instantly frees up RAM, giving your system some breathing room. Step 2. Disable startup programs. Many apps sneak into your startup list, launching every time you boot your PC and eating RAM from the get-go. Let's stop that. In Task Manager, click the Startup Apps tab. Look at the Startup Impact column. Apps marked as high are the worst offenders. Right-click non-essential apps, like game launchers or cloud sync tools, and select Disable. Keep essentials like antivirus or GPU software enabled. This not only frees up RAM, but also speeds up your boot time. Step 3. Stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background. Microsoft Edge can consume hundreds of megabytes of RAM, even if you never use it, because it's integrated into Windows for things like widgets or help links. To check if it's running, open your Task Manager, then in your Processes tap again. Look for Microsoft Edge. If it's there, right-click and select End Task. To prevent it from preloading, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type Regedit and press Enter. In Registry Editor, navigate to H-key Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, and Edge. If the Edge folder doesn't exist, right-click Microsoft, select New, Key, and name it Edge. Right-click inside the Edge folder, select New, dword 32-bit value, and name it Allow Pre-Launch. Double-click it, set the value to 0, and click OK. Close Registry Editor. This stops Edge from preloading, saving precious RAM. If these tips are helping you reclaim your PC's performance, hit that subscribe button and join the Passionate About Tech community. Step 5. Run Disk Cleanup. Junk files can clog your system and indirectly affect performance. Let's clean them up. Click the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup and press Enter. Select your C drive and click OK. Click Cleanup System Files and wait for the scan. Check boxes for temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup, Delivery Optimization files, and DirectX Shader Cache. Click OK, then delete files. This frees up disk space, which helps Windows run more efficiently. Step 6. Clear the temp folder. Temporary files pile up fast and can slow your system. Press Windows key plus R. Type %temp% and press Enter. In the temp folder, press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Press Delete. If prompted, click Skip for files in use. This clears out unnecessary files, freeing up resources. Step 8. Restart your PC. To apply all these changes, restart your computer. Click the Start menu, select Power, then Restart. After rebooting, your system should feel faster, with lower RAM usage and quicker response times. And there you have it. 6 proven methods to reduce RAM usage in Windows and make your PC run like a dream. These steps can transform your system's performance without spending a dime. If your PC still feels sluggish, consider upgrading your RAM or switching to an SSD for an even bigger boost. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more ways to optimize your tech. I'll see you in the next one. Stay passionate about tech.